Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this Breville Barista Espresso machine. It comes to us with no pressure at all. So when I test the machine, I found out that the machine needs a new water pump. This is the old one, and a new OPV, overpressure valve, or we call it air valve also. So, and the machine needs really deep clean and recalibrate for the grinder. So I replace both of these and I clean the grinder, and as much as I can calibrate a little bit, but I don't want to change so much on it because the customer don't want to recalibrate the grinder or do anything for it. But I wanted to give me like also finer grind, so I make some cleaning inside it anyway in order to get like a good shot. And that's like only I was able to do that only because the customer using the pressurized basket here. So let's go ahead and test it and make the espresso shot on it. I stopped it manually. I'm sorry, it's like I didn't put water in there, so I just put some water because I was cleaning it after I run some descaler in it, and I start making the video before I put the water, so now it's gonna be ready. There you go. It's giving a great shot with crema, and it's became like getting 3 layers of coffee. So let's test the hot water. It's great in the steamer. There you go. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.